what we had discussed till yesterday. Then till yesterday we had discussed the definition of alcohol and phenol. Then after, what are the meaning of mono, di, tri or polyhydric compounds in alcohol and phenol? Then what is the first degree alcohol, second degree alcohol, third degree alcohol? What is allyl alcohol? What is benzyl alcohol? And what is vinyl alcohol? These informations are clear, means classification of alcohol was clear. Next, then after we had seen some questions related to primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. Then after IUPAC nomenclature of alcohol was over. Then IUPAC name of cyclic alcohol. Then after we had discussed the day before yesterday the preparation method of alcohols. Alcohols are prepared from alkene by reduction of carbonyl compound and from Grignard reagent. These all we had completed day before yesterday. And yesterday means this by acid catalyzed hydration, its mechanism, by hydroboration oxidation, its mechanism, then from carbonyl compound by reduction of aldehyde ketone, then by reduction of carboxylic acid ester, then after from Grignard reagent, from methanol form first degree alcohol, from other aldehyde form second degree alcohol, from ketone it form third degree alcohol. Then yesterday we had discussed the physical properties of alcohols, that is boiling point. Then I informed you कि boiling point of alcohol is higher than hydrocarbon or haloalkane of similar molar mass. Reason was there due to presence of intermolecular hydrogen bond in alcohol. Then after second physical property yesterday we had discussed, that is solubility of alcohol, that alcohols are completely soluble in water. Reason why the questions are coming ki why alcohols are soluble in water and haloalkanes are not soluble in water. Reason was there, in haloalkane hydrogen bond is not present, but in alcohol hydrogen bond is present. Then after yesterday we had also discussed about the chemical properties of alcohol. In chemical properties of alcohol, I informed you that alcohol is showing two types of bond cleavage, means chemical reaction due to two types of bond cleavage. First one is due to cleavage of OH bond, in which it will give the H plus and act as acidic nature, means act as acid. And second is its main property, that is due to cleavage of CO bond, which will give the OH minus, and this show its basic nature. Yesterday we had discussed the reaction with metal, reaction with NaOH, esterification, and SN reaction. This part we had discussed in previous chapter, that is haloalkane, in preparation of haloalkane. So today we need to discuss the dehydration of alcohol. Dehydration of alcohol. So once again, before to start the topic, please anyone unmute and tell me screen and voice both are clear, or anyone have any problem in screen or voice? Please give
Both are clear,
response.
sir. Sir,
Okay.
please open
Both
the
clear,
slide
sir.
of esterification and explain once.
Esterification, this one means the
Yes, sir.
reaction. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yesterday we had discussed reaction with metal, then it form the metal alkoxide. Then after acidity and esterification. Here esterification. Then what is esterification? When any alcohol, phenol is not here because phenol we will discuss separately as I informed you. So when any alcohol, any alcohol, AR you will not write, that I informed you yesterday, that we will discuss in phenol part. When any alcohol react with carboxylic acid, so there are two, that is alcohol and carboxylic acid or acid chloride or acid anhydride, any of these three. First one is here acid anhydride, that I informed you yesterday, RCO whole twice O is anhydride, carboxylic acid is RCOOH, and RCOCl is acid chloride compound. Before yesterday, you know just one esterification reaction, that is when any alcohol react with carboxylic acid in presence of H2SO4, then it form ester. This was your information before yesterday. Yesterday I informed you that esterification is not only with alcohol and carboxylic acid. Esterification can be happen with alcohol and acid anhydride and alcohol and acid chloride also. So that's why you will write in your statement, when any alcohol react with carboxylic acid, acid chloride or acid anhydride, any one of in presence of catalyst. Here you will not mention the H2SO4 in presence of catalyst. Why? Then if acid anhydride will be there, then acid means H2SO4 you can write. If carboxylic acid will be there, then you can write acid catalyst. But if acid chloride will be there, then no acid will be act as catalyst. Pyridine or pyridine will be act as catalyst. Pyridine will be act as catalyst here. So you will write कि when alcohol, any alcohol react with carboxylic acid or acid chloride or acid anhydride in presence of catalyst like H2SO4 or pyridine, then it form ester. This process is called esterification. And then after you will write this three equation, and remember in these three equation acid anhydride will be form the ester with alcohol in presence of any acid catalyst. Alcohol will form the ester in presence of any acid catalyst with carboxylic acid. And with acid chloride, alcohol will not require the H2SO4, it require the pyridine as catalyst. So this one is very important. Maybe the question will be there in MCQ, and here at the place of pyridine question mark will be there, and question will ask you which catalyst, yeah, which of the following will be act as catalyst in this reaction. So pyridine, remember. Now then after the question was there कि why here alcohol is act as acid. रीजन था कि अल्कोहल एसिड की तरह बिहेव क्यों करता है, because we have the carboxylic acid also, we have the acid chloride also, so we have acid anhydride. So all are already have the name acid, but they are not behaving like acid, but alcohol is behave as acid. Then esterification mechanism is in next chapter, but I informed you yesterday because out of alcohol and ester, alcohol and the second part, that is acid anhydride or carboxylic acid or acid chloride, first of all first of all they are react with the catalyst, because as you know reaction is going to start with catalyst. So first of all H2SO4 is going to be react with carboxylic acid. So out of carboxylic acid and H2SO4, which one is the stronger acid? कौन stronger acid होगा? Because both are acid. Carboxylic acid is acid, H2SO4 is acid, but stronger one is H2SO4. So who will show the acidic nature? H2SO4 will show the acidic nature. So out of these two, H2SO4 will give the H plus, and that H plus means proton will be taken by the carboxylic acid. So here carboxylic acid will be act as base to take the proton, undergo protonation, form the intermediate complex, and then after it remove the water. That I informed you yesterday कि water यहाँ से remove करेगा, and now after removal of water it form the carbocation, and that carbocation will be now react with this alcohol. So in this, alcohol will be give the H to form the product, which we will discuss the whole mechanism, is complete mechanism with 3 steps, that is protonation, formation of intermediate complex compound, and deprotonation. This mechanism is in next chapter, aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid. But what is happening here, that I had informed you yesterday only, कि H2SO4 is act as acid, it give the H plus to carboxylic acid to form the intermediate complex compound, and then after alcohol is attack on this. So alcohol is the secondary one. First of all, the comparison is not between the alcohol and carboxylic acid. The comparison is between the carboxylic acid and catalyst H2SO4. So out of these two, H2SO4 is acting as acting as acid, so it gives the H plus. That's why carboxylic acid is behaving as base. कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड बेस की तरह बिहेव करता है ड्यू टू वीकर एसिड नेचर. And then after the alcohol is attacking, so naturally if base is present there, so alcohol will be act as acid. So here the comparison, agar if H2SO4 will not be there, only the comparison is between the alcohol and carboxylic acid, then acidic nature of carboxylic acid will be maybe more, then the reaction will be different. But due to presence of this H2SO4, it first attack or react with carboxylic acid, so carboxylic acid behave as a base to form the ester, to form the ester. So this is the reaction in which the breaking of bond, I informed you कि ROH, which bond is going to be break down, that is OH bond is going to be break down. That's why in this what is written, esterification is the part of chemical reaction due to OH bond cleavage. OH bond cleavage, esterification कौन सा पार्ट है, that is OH bond cleavage. So esterification में तो आपको इतना ही लिखना है, but mechanism अगर आएगा, so that mechanism we will discuss in next class, क्योंकि इस chapter, sorry, next chapter, not next class, next chapter. Now the next is here. Is that clear?
Sir.
Whose question was that?
Yes, sir, clear.
ठीक है. Remember, first of all, don't think कि जो reagent लिखा है they will be compare, कि सर एल्कोहल तो बेसिक नेचर का होता है, कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड एसिडिक नेचर का है, तो ये एसिड की तरह बिहेव क्यों नहीं दे कर रहा है, व्हाई इट इज नॉट गिविंग द H प्लस. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कंपैरिजन इज बिटवीन द H2SO4 एंड कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड. पहले रिएक्शन होता है H2SO4 का और कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड का. So out of these two, as you know, H2SO4 is a stronger acid, so that will behave as acid to give the H plus. So carboxylic acid is behaving as base, and then after alcohol is attacking, तो carboxylic acid पहले base की तरह behave कर रहा है, so that's alcohol will be act as acid. Now next we need to discuss
Sir, I have a doubt.
the yes
Sir, is
yes
it electrophilic addition?
is it electrophilic addition?
Addition. Yes.
So see here, in addition, what is happening? Double bond is going to be break and single bond is form. ये होता है, ठीक है. But see, in the product, overall product I am asking. In overall product, what is the formation? See, this will be form, and alcohol तो not having double bond. कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड इज हैविंग ओनली डबल बॉन्ड. एल्कोहल के पास तो डबल बॉन्ड है नहीं. कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड इज हैविंग डबल बॉन्ड. सो इफ यू विल थिंक इट इज एडिशन, तो डबल बॉन्ड होना जरूरी है. एडिशन रिएक्शन इज ओनली एंड ओनली हैपन विद डबल बॉन्ड और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड, एज यू नो. सो डबल बॉन्ड ईस्टर में प्रेजेंट है और कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड में भी प्रेजेंट है. मीन्स रिएक्टेंट में भी प्रेजेंट है और प्रोडक्ट में भी प्रेजेंट है. सो इफ यू विल आस्क की ओवरऑल रिएक्शन, this overall esterification is addition reaction, then no, I will say then no. But if you will ask any one step of this, as I informed you, there are 3 steps. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज प्रोटोनेशन. तो जो फर्स्ट स्टेप आता है, फर्स्ट स्टेप में जो कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड होता है, दैट इज अंडरगो प्रोटोनेशन. it undergo protonation. Proton comes from acid. So this step you can say कि this is, ठीक है, addition step. Means this you can say electrophilic addition. Only the first step, not the whole reaction. Whole reaction is not addition reaction. Only the first step is addition reaction, that is electrophilic addition reaction. Then after second step, rearrangement was there, and third step, that is attack of alcohol, that is nucleophile is there. So that is going to be substitution type reaction. So the whole reaction is the combination of addition and substitution. But if you will say कि इसमें addition reaction होता है, then होता है first step में होता है. Only first step, not the whole reaction. Is that clear?
Sir, but naming of reaction is according to RDS, na?
Naming of reaction and rate determining step is first of all, rate determining step is slowest step, and naming of reaction is going to be according to RDS. ये आपका सही information है. Then
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
okay, so remember this, overall esterification is not, ठीक है, you can't say कि it is completely, मतलब purely electrophilic addition. It have the combination of 3 reaction. First step addition, second step that is rearrangement, and third step आपका आता है that is the attack of alcohol. So first step is electrophilic addition. Now next is here. Now as you know कि this part is over. In this, the cleavage of OH bond is over, and cleavage of OH bond, sorry for this, cleavage of OH bond is over. Now SN reaction I need to start, but these all reaction we had discussed in haloalkane, that is preparation of haloalkane. ठीक है, all the reaction SN reaction, that is alcohol with, ठीक है, reaction with hydrogen halide, that we had discussed already. So I am not going to discuss this part. I am going to start dehydration. As X3 will be react, how the PCl5 will be react, how the HX will be react, which one is the best method, that is SOCl2. Why SOCl2 or thionyl chloride method is best method. Then after, what we will use as catalyst in third degree alcohol with HX, so that all are there. So I'm going to start this one, dehydration of alcohol. Dehydration of alcohol. So in dehydration of alcohol, remember this, in dehydration of alcohol we need to discuss one mechanism. So this will be the second mechanism of this chapter, and overall fourth mechanism of your organic chemistry. First was SN1, second was SN2 in previous chapter, third was in this chapter during the preparation, that is hydration, and here is dehydration. So dehydration का मतलब क्या हुआ? That is removal of water. Dehydration means what? That is removal of water. Now remember, in organic chemistry I informed you कि only 4-5 types of reactions are takes place. One is substitution, one is addition, one is elimination, one is cyclization and rearrangement. So here what is happening? Water is removing out. So which type of reaction will be this? ये कौन से type का organic reaction होगा? Then this will be elimination reaction. This will be elimination reaction. As you have seen, elimination reaction in haloalkane, beta elimination, Sergev rule. So same elimination is here, that is removal of water, means something will be removed, so it is elimination. And what I informed you कि elimination में बनता क्या है, what will be the product of elimination? Elimination का product क्या होता है? So if something will be removed, then single bond will be converted into double bond, and double bond will be converted into triple bond, because after elimination the valency will be only completed by the formation of new bond. So what will be formed here? So when any alcohol undergo dehydration, जब कोई alcohol dehydration करता है, ठीक है, then it form alkene. Then it form alkene. See, what will be the product? The product will be alkene, because it is a type of elimination reaction. But one change is here. In haloalkane, for elimination reaction, I had informed you कि you will always use alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH. For elimination reaction of haloalkane, you will use alcoholic KOH. But for elimination of alcohol, that is dehydration of alcohol, you will use any protic acid. See, protic acid and non-protic acid, that you know from class 11, कि those acids which give the proton, that are called protic acid, and those acids which are not give the proton, that are called non-protic acid. So protic acid में two examples are given here, concentrated H2SO4 और H3PO4, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड और फॉस्फोरिक एसिड, इन दोनों को आप ले सकते हैं. और थर्ड वन इज गिवन, दैट इज anhydrous ZnCl2 or alumina. See the word alumina, it is not aluminium, it is alumina. So what will be the formula of alumina? That is Al2O3. So these two are the extra one in your NCERT. These two are given, H2SO4 and H3PO4, but at the place of H2SO4, H3PO4, you can use the anhydrous means dry, ZnCl2 or alumina also. So what is dehydration of alcohol? So first of all, you will write the heading dehydration of alcohol, that is the chemical property. Then you will write when any alcohol undergo dehydration or treated with concentrated H2SO4 or H3PO4 or a protic acid. जिस लैंग्वेज में आप चाहे लिख सकते हैं, you can write in that way कि when any alcohol undergo dehydration, either you can write this when any alcohol treated with protic acid in this way, or maybe you can write when any alcohol treated with or heated with concentrated H2SO4 and H3 or H3PO4, then it form alkene by removal of water molecule. वाटर मॉलिक्यूल को रिमूव करके ये क्या बनाता है? एल्कीन बनाता है. नाउ हाउ द वाटर मॉलिक्यूल विल बी रिमूव? वाटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव कैसे होगा? वाटर मॉलिक्यूल मीन्स H2O. So how H2O will be removed? So again alpha and beta position. Where the alcohol group will be present, that carbon will be alpha carbon, and where the next carbon will be of that alpha carbon, that will be beta carbon. As you know, in previous chapter, where the halogen is present, that is alpha. वहां पे main functional group halogen था. Here the main functional group is OH. So alpha carbon and beta carbon. From alpha carbon OH will be removed, and from beta carbon H means hydrogen will be removed. So this is also beta elimination reaction. So what is written? See, please see this. This is very important information. This is very important information. What is the difference in these three? This is first degree alcohol, this is second degree alcohol, and this is third degree alcohol. So I have told when any alcohol treated with protic acid H2SO4, H3PO4, H3PO4. But if degree of alcohol will be different, this is the very important information, and these questions are coming in board. Remember this. Just it will write the equation and remove this reagent. In your NCERT exercise also this question is there. ये लिखा हुआ and question is asking कि which reagent will be used here. So see, if first degree alcohol will be there, I am saying first degree, but in your NCERT book it is given ethanol. तो ये कंडीशन पर्टिकुलर इथेनॉल के लिए है, एंड इन योर बोर्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर इथेनॉल विल बी आस्क ओनली. ठीक है. सो व्हेन इथेनॉल or first degree alcohol is undergoing dehydration, then it require the concentrated H2SO4 as catalyst and 443 Kelvin temperature. 443 Kelvin temperature it required. Then only it will show beta elimination to form the alkene. But if the second degree alcohol is there, then it require the 85% H3PO4 as catalyst, that is weaker acid. H2SO4 is stronger acid, H3PO4 is weaker, and it require temperature. यहाँ पे आप बुक में देखेंगे लिखा होगा approx 412 Kelvin or approx 400 Kelvin temperature. That temperature is going to be down. Temperature कम होता जा रहा है, and the concentration of acid is also going to be down as the degree is increases, because the melting and boiling point of First degree is higher, second degree is lower, and third degree is least. So third degree is require only 20% H3PO4. इसके लिए केवल 20% H3PO4 का कंसंट्रेटेड हमको एसिड चाहिए, एंड टेम्परेचर इज 358. सो यू नीड टू रिमेंबर दिस कि if ethanol will be retained there, then you require the reagent H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4. If the reactant, that alcohol is propane to all means second degree alcohol, then it require 85% H3PO4 at approx 400 or 412 Kelvin. And if there is third degree alcohol, then it require 20% H3PO4 as catalyst at 358 Kelvin. Please remember this. Please remember this. This question will come in another way. इस तरीके से भी आ सकता है कि what reagent is required for dehydration of first degree alcohol. तो in your syllabus first degree के लिए H2SO4 at 443 Kelvin. Second degree alcohol, then 85% H3PO4 at 400 approx 12 Kelvin. And for third degree alcohol, then it is 20% H3PO4 at 358 Kelvin. In your exercise, this question is present. So see here, it is written secondary and tertiary alcohol are dehydrated under mild condition. And from where the H2O will be removed? For H2O, OH will be removed from alpha carbon and H will be removed from beta carbon. So it is beta elimination. Now, as I informed you, we require to discuss here the mechanism. Mechanism we will discuss just for this. In your syllabus, mechanism is given of this reaction. That is dehydration of ethanol. Dehydration of ethanol. See the mechanism. You will write here mechanism of dehydration of ethanol. One name. Maybe in another way, the question will be there. Write the mechanism of formation of ethene from ethanol. Formation of ethene from ethanol. This question is in your NCERT book. ये क्वेश्चन आपके एनसीईआरटी बुक में है कि राइट द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ formation of ethene from ethanol. Ethene from ethanol. Then you will write it completes in following 3 steps. 3 स्टेप है. फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटोनेटेड एल्कोहल लिखिए और लिखिए प्रोटोनेशन. इसको यू कैन राइट प्रोटोनेशन. फर्स्ट स्टेप इज प्रोटोनेशन और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटोनेटेड एल्कोहल. प्रोटोनेशन और फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटोनेटेड एल्कोहल. सेकेंड स्टेप that is formation of carbocation. Formation of carbocation. You can write this one more name, that is dehydration. जो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ कार्बोकैटायन है, यू कैन राइट दिस विद द अनदर नेम डिहाइड्रेशन. यही वो स्टेप है जिसमें वाटर मॉलिक्यूल निकलेगा. एंड थर्ड स्टेप दैट इज यहाँ लिखा है फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इथीन बाय एलिमिनेशन ऑफ प्रोटॉन. यू कैन राइट दिस. और The second name will be deprotonation. Second name होगा deprotonation. Remember this. So you can write the name in two way. First you will write first step formation of protonated alcohol or protonation. Second step formation of carbocation or dehydration. Third step formation of ethene by elimination of proton or deprotonation. Now first step is protonation or formation of protonated alcohol. These are the three steps. In this first it is showing H plus. Okay, so from where the H plus comes? So as like I informed you in the previous mechanism, in this the first step is the catalyst H2SO4 will be going to be ionization to form the H plus and HSO4 minus. पहला इक्वेशन ये होगा, यू विल राइट द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन दिस कि H2SO4 is going to be ionized. अब ionize होगा कैसे? That will be with water. H2SO4 में water add करेंगे, it will be ionized to give the H plus, and that H plus will be carried by water to form the H3O plus, that is hydronium ion. As you have seen in this, wait a minute, I had discussed one mechanism in the preparation method. One mechanism was there in the preparation method. In this I informed the first step will be H2SO4 will be broken down into H plus and HSO4 minus. HSO4 minus this H plus will be carried by water to form hydronium ion, and this hydronium ion will be react with alkene. So the first two equation, that is H2SO4 give the H plus and HSO4, that H plus is taken by H2O to form H3O. These two steps are similar in this also. इस प्रोसेस में भी यही दो स्टेप होता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल this H2SO4 means acid, which is catalyst, that will be give the H plus. That H plus is react with water to form H3O. That H3O is coming here. आपके इक्वेशन में यहाँ पे केवल H plus दिख रहा है. So this H plus comes from H2SO4. ठीक है, and as you know in class 11th Arrhenius equation you have read, proton can't be present in free form in water. It will be always present in hydronium ion form H3O. तो यहाँ आपके बुक में H plus दिया, तो इसका मतलब ये H3O है. So this H will attack on alcohol. So where it will be attacked? At oxygen. So at oxygen hydrogen has come, and oxygen get the positive charge because oxygen have now 3 bond. So its valency is going to be disturbed. To maintain the valency, it is going to be take the plus charge due to formation of coordinate bond. So in this, see what is the product? Product is protonated alcohol. Alcohol was there, one proton is attached, so protonated. Second name was protonation, that is on the basis of process. एक नाम मैंने बताया कि जो प्रोसेस हो रहा है उसको क्या कहेंगे, दूसरा नाम आपका जो है दैट इज ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट. सो आपके स्टेप्स का नाम क्या था? फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहल लिखिए या प्रोटोनेशन लिखिए. प्रोटोनेशन में प्रोटॉन इज गोइंग टू बी अटैक एंड फॉर्मेशन ऑफ प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहल में प्रोटोनेटेड अल्कोहल बन रहा है. सो दोनों का मीनिंग सेम है. नाउ step second, voice and screen are clear na? Anyone please tell me? I'm changing
Yes,
this.
sir, clear.
Okay. Now in second step, what I had informed you, second step में होता क्या है, formation of carbocation या dehydration. So now dehydration I told कि because this water molecule will be now released out. ये water molecule released होगा and carbon will get the positive charge. So on the basis of process क्या हो रहा है, water remove हो रहा है. That's why I had told कि you can say dehydration. जैसे फर्स्ट स्टेप में प्रोटॉन अटैच हो रहा है, सो प्रोटोनेशन, एंड इन दिस स्टेप वाटर इज रिमूव आउट, सो यू कैन से डिहाइड्रेशन. एंड इन योर बुक इट इज गिवन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्रोडक्ट कि व्हाट इज फॉर्मिंग कार्बो cation. So in this you can see water is removed out, so we can say dehydration to this process, or in this carbocation is going to be formed, that's why we can say formation of carbocation also. So first step, proton is attack on alcohol, where it will be attack at the oxygen of alcohol, because oxygen is having lone pair electron density and hydrogen is having plus charge less electron density, no electrons. So it will be attracted at oxygen to form protonated alcohol. In second step, this protonated alcohol undergo dehydration to remove the water and form the carbocation. Now third and last step लिखा है formation of ethene, मतलब जो प्रोडक्ट बनेगा by elimination of proton. क्या निकलेगा, प्रोटॉन. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैड टोल्ड दिस डीप्रोटोनेशन, प्रोटॉन का अटैच होना प्रोटोनेशन, प्रोटॉन का रिमूव होना डीप्रोटोनेशन. सो इन कार्बोकैटायन द वैलेंसी ऑफ वन कार्बन इज टोटली कंप्लीटेड, दैट इज ऑक्टेट. एक कार्बन की वैलेंसी ऑक्टेट के अकॉर्डिंग, ऑक्टेट रूल के अकॉर्डिंग स्टेबल है, स्टेबल ऑक्टेट कंडीशन है. बट in second carbon where the positive charge is there, that is having only 6 electron. As you know, that carbon which have positive charge, that will have the 6 electron in carbocation. So इसके पास 6 electron है, it has not stable octet condition. So for making it stable, means this carbocation is this time unstable, so for making it stable, one hydrogen is removed out from the बीटा वन, दैट इज बीटा कार्बन, क्योंकि OH तो ऑर्थो से निकल चुका है. सो बीटा कार्बन, नाउ वन वैलेंसी ऑफ दिस कार्बन इज नाउ will be in problem and one valency of this carbon will be in problem. So both will be complete their valency and octet condition by forming the double bond, that is by sharing of electron between each other. So single bond will be converted into double bond and H plus will be removed out. H plus वहां से क्या हो जाएगा, removed हो जाएगा. Now the valency of both the carbon is completely follow the octet conditions, so now it becomes stable and it form the alkene, that is ethene. So in third step you will write carbocation undergo deprotonation to release the proton from beta carbon. किस कार्बन से, बीटा कार्बन से. बीटा कार्बन से प्रोटॉन रिलीज करेगा एंड फॉर्म द करस्पॉन्डिंग एल्कीन और इथीन. और क्या बनाएगा, इथीन बनाएगा और एल्कीन बनाएगा. नाउ व्हाट विल बी हैपन विद दिस प्रोटॉन, यहीं पे आप कंप्लीट नहीं करेंगे, ठीक है. बिलो दिस व्हाट विल बी हैपन विद दिस प्रोटॉन, ये प्रोटॉन अब कहाँ जाएगा. सो एज आई इन्फॉर्म्ड यू इन द प्रीवियस, दैट इज प्रिपरेशन मेथड, कि फाइनली the proton which is released out, that is react with HSO4 which were left in the first step. जो फर्स्ट स्टेप में बचा हुआ था HSO4 माइनस, it will again attack on HSO4 minus, react with HSO4 minus to form the H2SO4 back. So in first H2SO4 will be break to give the H plus, and in last that HSO4 minus will be take the H plus to form the H2SO4 back. So because H2SO4 we will get at the end back, that's why it means it is a लिस्ट, ये कैटलिस्ट है और ये अंत में हमको मिल जा रहा है. नाउ दिस विल बी रिएक्ट विथ अदर पार्टिकल. सो once again, remember mechanism is very important. So heading will be there, mechanism of preparation of ethene from ethanol or conversion of ethanol into ethene or acid catalyzed dehydration. Remember the word. In previous one the topic was there acid catalyzed hydration, and here is the topic acid catalyzed dehydration. So remember, डिहाइड्रेशन वर्ड बोलेगा तो इथेनॉल से एथीन आपको बनाना है, एंड हाइड्रेशन वर्ड विल बी देयर, देन एथीन टू इथेनॉल. So you will write it completes in following 3 step. Name as you can want, you can choose the name or you can write both the name, that will be better. And then after one by one step, but before this equation you will write the H2SO4 breaking, and after the last equation in the third step you will write the formation of H2SO4 back. Then the mechanism will be over. तब हमारा mechanism over होगा. So our preparation method dehydration is also over. Now the last one is there, that is chemical property reduction of alcohol by use of reducing agent and by use of copper. हमारा अब केवल एक केमिकल प्रॉपर्टी बचा है, that is reduction of alcohol, which we will discuss, ठीक है, on Monday. ठीक है, reduction of alcohol here. This mechanism is over and this is over. So if anyone have any question you can ask. I am going back in TMAP related to dehydration or elimination. Please, you can write here also, you can unmute and ask directly also. In second degree alcohol, Prasoon has written, in second degree alcohol hydrogen is removed from beta or gamma carbon. In second degree alcohol, see, second degree alcohol, sorry, second degree alcohol. So second degree alcohol is here. In this what is written? CH3, CH, OH and CH3. Now just think, Prasoon, I had informed you कि by elimination the double or triple bonds are formed. So bond will be formed always between the two adjacent carbon. Bond हमेशा दो adjacent carbon के बीच ही बन सकता है, ठीक है. And the carbon at which functional group is present, that is alpha. Next carbon is beta, and then after the next carbon is gamma. So अगर गामा से निकलेगा और अल्फा से निकलेगा तो हाउ द डबल बॉन्ड विल बी फॉर्म, डबल बॉन्ड वहां पे कैसे बनेगा, ठीक है. सो दिस इज अल्फा कार्बन, ये कार्बन आपका क्या है, दिस इज अल्फा कार्बन where the OH is
Sir, if there
present.
will be 2 beta carbon,
Then follow the Sergev rule. Then follow
Okay,
the
sir.
Sergev rule. Then two product will be formed, and then after you will check ki which one is major. So that will be major in which double bonded carbon have more alkyl group. Then follow the Sergev rule. Is that clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so always it will remove from beta
Yes, sir.
carbon.
Clear.
And one more thing, it will remove from beta, but maybe by rearrangement it can be moved at gamma or something else, but it will be removed from beta carbon. Your question is from where it will be removed?